claim trends that are arising in maritime, I think, at least from my perspective, fall into two categories. One is psychological damage claims or even brain damage claims. It seems as though in the last several years, the plaintiff bar has sought to investigate that type of injury, that type of element of injury when an accident occurs, and to retain physicians to diagnose and treat for those claims, whether it's brain damage, psychological, or otherwise. We tend to see that much more frequently lately. I think also in maritime, the pendulum has tended to swing back and forth, but currently we're seeing claims for maintenance and cure prosecuted vigorously, as they always have, but coupled with claims for punitive damages, for failure to properly investigate, handle, and pay for medical services and maintenance associated with injuries of seamen. And the standard for that typically is whether or not the employer was arbitrary and capricious in refusing to pay maintenance and cure.